Just a quickie to say thanks for watching the last series. Lots of you watched, lots of you commented. That was awesome. There is a delay in the demo video and the auction. I was sending it off to someone who can play a lot better than me. I still will be doing that, but it was asking a lot. We're kind of filming that at the 11th hour at the minute, and I couldn't get it to him in time. It's my fault. I'll keep you posted on that. But tomorrow at 4 o'clock, the new series starts. So please watch that. It's pretty fucked up. But give it a watch, because you'll probably enjoy it. Anyway, have a good weekend, everyone. I'll be reading your comments while I'm sat at the bar after a bit of golf. 3 days with the boys. Hope you can forgive me. Take it easy. Have a good weekend, everyone. Filming in my garage. Fucking basic, innit?